So what was this? It says rules and regulations, like the welcome packet, like how they had the set up, I guess. This is what you get. Save your sweet.
Cross down until everyone, in orderly fashion, had left their cells and gone to the dining hall, for example.
Now we know where it is.
In addition to 1 through 13, the selector has the letter A, the only letter listed for all. That is the clutch. This is the hardest part. Here goes nothing.
That's some workout.
Each of these doors weighs over 100 pounds. So all 13 of them together are well over 1,000 pounds that I'm moving. And yes, it is difficult, but it's not 1,000 pounds, right? So it's pretty cool to see the mechanical advantage that they've created in the mechanisms here to make someone like me, who does not specifically work out to be able to open these doors, be able to open over 1,000 pounds of metal doors.
Get some.